home and there's dishes everywhere, stacked right next to the dishwasher. Put it in the dishwasher. Sorry about that. I've just got a lot going on right now. I'm stressed because of work, and when I get back from work, the last thing that I want to be seeing is dishes stacked next to the dishwasher. Okay? You've done nothing all day. Okay? You've had school, got back, and been on your Xbox for 6 hours. I've been at work the whole day, and I do not want to come back to that. No one's offered to hoover, no one's offered to help.